Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE CS Set 1 2025 GA question number 8. A fair 6 face dice with the faces labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is rolled thrice. What is the probability of rolling 6 exactly once? And 4 options are given. Let this is a dice, it have 6 faces and each face is named as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 3 times we will roll, and from the 3 times what is the probability of getting 6 exactly once? So chances of getting exactly 6 is 1 by 6, and there are other 5 faces, right? So in other 2 roll, that 5 faces can come. So it will be 5 divided 6 power 2. So 1 divided 6 power 1, that is for getting 6 exactly once, and 6 not getting other 2 times, that is 5 divided 6 power 2, and we are doing 3 time roll, and from 3 we'll get 1, we'll select 1. So C3 1, right? C3 1 value is 3 multiplied 1 divide 6, 5 power 2 it's 25, 6 power 2 it's 36. So 3 multiplied 25 it's 75, then 6 multiplied 36 it's 216. We found 75 divided 216, it's present at option A. So answer will be option A. We are doing 3 time roll, and from that 1 time should be 6. So C3 1, we are selecting 1 from 3, and that 1 should be 6. That's why 1 divided 6 multiplied 5 divided 6. 5 divided 6 is 4 other 5 faces, and that will roll 2 times. So here it's 2. And after solving we got 75 divided 216. Answer is option A. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.